Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth head-to-head comparison review about these two business to automation platform, which is AutoEntry and FreshBook. To help you decide which of these two automation platform would be a better option for you in 2025. So let's dive into it. FreshBook remained one of the best choice for freelancers and small service-based systems and business. It offers a user-friendly platform with invoicing, time tracking, expense management, and a simple accounting features, perfect for solopreneurs or a small teams. Its intuitive interface and strong customer support make it easy for non-accountants to manage finances. And AutoEntry, on the other hand, is not an accounting platform but a data automation tool. It specializes in extracting data from receipts, bills, and bank statements and sync it with data from your existing account softwares like QuickBooks and other accounting software to reduce manual entry. And these tools serve different purposes. FreshBook helps you manage your whole accounting workflow, while AutoEntry is a companion tool meant to enhance that process through automation. And here's the very conclusion. Choose the FreshBook if you are looking for all or if you are looking for an all-in-one accounting and invoicing solution. And on the other hand, you can go with AutoEntry if you already use a separate accounting system and what you need is to speed up data entry by automation or automating document captured and processing. And that's it. So if you find the video helpful, let me know in the comment section and comment and follow for more.